Hello again. Well, I've been trying to do up the little gramophone I showed in a recent video. I've removed various bits and pieces and put them in little bags. So that's the clip for the tone arm. That's the tone arm itself. So many things have come off relatively easily. One thing that hasn't come off is the platter itself. So basically I put oil in there, I've turned it upside down, I've sprayed WD-40 in. The problem basically is that when I try to pull the platter up, it actually basically pulls up a column within the actual motor. So I think by trying to just pull it up, I might actually just damage the motor. And I was thinking about how on earth I was going to solve this problem, and I had an idea, well actually a memory really. I remember a video that GrandadIsAnOldMan did with a little motor not dissimilar to this one, where he wanted to get the weight off, and what he did was to basically build a little jig and support it, and then basically punch the motor through. So punch the shaft through so that the weight popped off. And it's occurred to me that maybe I can try something similar with this. So I'm just going to very quickly knock together a little jig. It's a nice soft mallet. So basically I just got a bit of wood in the vise, another bit of wood there, the same height, and then a bit of chipboard, and I'm hoping that I'm just going to be able to support it from this side and knock it through. Now the other thing I need is something to support it when it drops down. Possibly a bit too big, but let's go with that. So hopefully that will just catch the motor when it drops, assuming it does drop. Right, so let's give it a go. And there we are, straight off. So thanks again to GrandadIsAnOldMan, who probably inadvertently gave me that clue, but it does work with gramophone motors as well as little electric motors as well. Okay, well that's it for now. I do intend to do a bit more cleaning up and sorting out of this gramophone. It's a cheapy model, so it's not really worth spending all that much time and money on it, but it would be nice to get it running and looking a bit better. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff.